Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Garlic is truly a culinary superhero, don't you think? Its amazing aroma can instantly make your kitchen smell fantastic. When you cook garlic, something magical happens. That sharp, strong flavor becomes wonderfully sweet and incredibly savory, making your food taste so much better. It's a fundamental ingredient for building amazing flavors in countless recipes. Getting garlic ready is surprisingly simple. First, pick out a clove or two from the whole head. Then, a quick trick, just give it a gentle smash with the side of your knife. The papery skin will usually just slip right off, making it super easy to peel. Now, you can mince it really fine for a strong flavor, or slice it if you prefer a milder taste and want those little pieces to show in your dish. Sautéing is probably the most common way to cook garlic, and it's quite straightforward. Just heat a little olive oil or butter in a pan over medium-low heat. Once it's warm, add your minced or sliced garlic. Now, here's the key. Stir it constantly for about 30 to 60 seconds until it's wonderfully fragrant and just turns a light golden color. You don't want it to get dark brown. For a completely different and wonderfully sweet garlic experience, try roasting it. This method transforms that sharp bite into something incredibly mellow and almost caramel-like. Just slice off the very top of a whole garlic head, drizzle it with a bit of olive oil, and wrap it loosely in foil. Pop it into an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, or until it's beautifully soft and golden. Here's a very important tip when cooking garlic. Never let it burn. Burnt garlic turns incredibly bitter and can really ruin your dish. Always keep a close eye on it, cooking it just until it's wonderfully fragrant and a lovely light golden. It's truly amazing how this simple ingredient can elevate so many different recipes, so have fun experimenting and enjoying its incredible flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.